Good morning and hello, I'm Professor Code. This is the Forex Supermodel Racing Review and Forex Review for Thursday the 10th of November 2022. Nothing to review for yesterday, but we've got a race today, so Thursday the 10th. No filter 1, which is our structure filter, no ratio, we do have an alternate, and no N-1 filter, but we do have a race booked in for Saturday. This Saturday the 12th for that filter. So anyway, market raising National Hunt 345. It's a handicap chase, class 5, 4-year-old plus, 0 to 100, 2 mile 5, 89 yards, good to soft. And it's modelled about 14.38. Now, what does that mean? Well, it's one of the slower courses as far as we're concerned in surface pace profiles, so that's relevant. And this number 3, Gandhi Maker, which is 10 to 11 favourite, in our view is completely unsuited to the race conditions, and therefore you're looking to take it on, either to lay the horse, which is a possibility if they bring it down to about the over round at the moment on Betfair is about 105-6%, so it's not happening yet, but so there's going to be some shortening going on, and if it shortens up, it's probably easier to take a small interest in laying that horse rather than. We've been looking around for alternatives, and they're many, so which is why this horse is vulnerable in the first place. So the account is static at plus 52.6 units in profit. So we've from a peak of 72. So that's where we are. So we're monitoring this. It's not going to be a fully boots bet. So we're looking at lay at around evens possibly to a max of 0.25 of a unit, really. That's just the way it is. Now, on the Forex front, foreign currency, we said we might be in the game today. We've got some trigger data, which is US CPI. That's about 13:30 GMT, 1:30. So this is consumer price index. Earlier this morning, very early in fact, we had Australian inflation data which beat expectations. So the AUD inflation data was about 6%, and it beats consensus and expectations, and looks like the RBA, Royal Bank of Australia, has been dragging its heels on rate rises. There's likely to be a divergence there, so we're looking at the AUD yen in terms of what we're going to have a go at. What do we know about the AUD yen? Well, in terms of pair volatility, it's about 210 on our scale. 210 with the highest being 400. And the lowest being 100. So, excuse me, it's just above half marks on volatility. So that gives you an idea of the amount of bang for your bucks you can expect. So it's about mid-range. So not mad, but not limp either. So we're looking to do probably stick a buy order in just prior to the data release, and get a nice data bounce on the up, as and on the basis of this transmission will be obviously that equities have been trying to come up. They've been under the cosh. We've got this hangover from the American midterms, which aren't just fully decided yet. So, and you've got this inflation data, which and you've had a dollar sell off, the weak dollar. And it's a mixed picture, but generally we think if you're going to get a kick up the pants, it's going to be AUD yen long, and that's where we're going to be positioning. So we probably won't get time to update you on that. We've got a lot going on here, and we probably won't get a chance to do another video. So have a look at AUD yen sort of as it progresses through the morning, the European session. With a view to sticking a buy order just before the off, about 7 to 8 points ahead. Don't get it action before the data release, and then if it goes, if the data, if it doesn't happen, just chop it out. Anyway, that's what we're going to be up to. So anyway, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and goodbye.